In today's video, we are going to show you how to add a prepaid card to Cash App so you can send, spend, or receive money easily. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open the Cash App on your phone or any device and make sure you are logged in. On the home screen, tap the Money or Banking tab, which is going to be the dollar sign icon or balance section. Scroll down and tap the linked banks or add a credit or debit card. And of course, you need to choose the debit card. From here, you need to carefully enter the card number, expiration date, or CVV, which can be found as the three-digit code on the back of your card. Make sure the prepaid card is activated before doing this. So in my case, I have my Revolut account. I'm gonna log in using my credentials and I'm going to get all the information and very quickly switch back to Cash App. And then once the information has been added, tap the add card or link card. Cash App will verify the card, and if it's supported, it will be added instantly. Please keep in mind that not all prepaid cards work with Cash App. Visa and MasterCard prepaid cards are most likely to be accepted. Some gift cards may be rejected, and make sure billing information matches if required. And basically that's it. Your prepaid card should now be linked to Cash App. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next video.